In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in OBS and then turn down the opacity so that it looks more transparent. This will be super useful for folks that want things like logos or watermarks or background images on top of what they're recording. As always, I recommend working in studio mode when using OBS so that you get the benefit of the preview window before your actual video recording is affected. To add an image, we're going to come to the Sources dock and we'll hit the plus button. We'll select Image, and then it will bring up a prompt to select the image. Today we're going to name it Avatar, and we'll hit OK. We're going to browse for the appropriate image, and there it is. We'll hit OK. Now, as you can see, my avatar's been brought up, but it is just gigantic. Now, to make this appropriately sized, we're going to click and drag to make it a little smaller. I'm going to leave it a bit larger than I normally do so that you get the benefit of being able to see what I'm doing. Now, this looks terrific. I normally like to keep my avatars and watermarks in one of the bottom corners of the screen. If I were playing a game or reacting to a YouTube video, you wouldn't be able to see what was behind my avatar very well, and that's a bit distracting. So in order to make it a bit more transparent, we're going to come down and select Avatar, and we'll right-click, and then we're going to select Filters. Now once your filter menu comes up, you're going to hit the plus sign, and you're going to choose Color Correction. Now, there are a lot of options in the color correction filter, so we're going to name this filter what we're doing specifically. We're going to name it Transparency and select OK. Now, you can adjust gamma, you can adjust contrast, brightness, etc., etc. We're going to be messing with opacity. Generally, I like to reduce the opacity of the original image to about 40 to 60% of its original value. So we're just going to click and drag and slide it on down. 44 seems pretty good. And we'll hit close, and those changes will automatically be saved. My logo is still visible here, but you can still see what's going on behind it, just in case something important happens, or you're trying to display chat in your game or something of that nature. So once you have it set exactly the way you want, positioned where you want, feel free to hit that transition button, and then you are able to start recording.